Hello guys, and in this quick tutorial video, I'll show you how to add a free VPN on your Windows laptop or computer. So first of all, open up your browser and in the search box, type vpnbook.com. Well, this website offers free VPNs that are 100% free and safe, and these are also easy to set up. Now once you're on the website, click on the free VPN option, and here you can choose between the PPTP VPN or OpenVPN. Now if you want to use the OpenVPN, then I've already made a dedicated video on how to add the OpenVPNs on a Windows laptop. But for now, I'll be using the PPTP option since it's easy to set up on most of the devices. Here we'll find a list of free VPN servers in multiple countries along with the usernames and passwords. Now while selecting a VPN, try to choose the country that is nearest to you, because the closer the server is, the better the speed you will get. Now in the next step, open the settings of your computer, then click on Network and Internet, and click on VPN. And make sure that these two options are on. Now click on Add a VPN connection. In the VPN provider option, choose Windows Built-in. In the connection name field, you can type any name you like. Now to get the server address, open the VPNbook website and copy your selected country's address. And simply paste it into this box. In the VPN type, select PPTP. Leave this box as default, and now for the username, type VPNbook as mentioned on the website and type this password in the password section. Finally, click on Save, and you have successfully added your free VPN server. Now let's connect to it and see if it's actually working or not. Open any browser and search "What is my IP?" and click on this first website, and within seconds it will show your IP address and your location. Now if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.